Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to be offline for a person on Messenger. So this way you can appear to be offline to that individual person whom you tried this trick on. So to do so, you need to simply tap on the Messenger app and you will be redirected to this kind of interface where all you need to do is select the person you want to be offline to. Once you select them, you need to hit on the mute option. So once you mute them from like every message and call notifications, you need to set a timing till when you want to appear offline. Once you keep their chat in the ignore option or on the mute section, then you will be offline towards that person as well. So in this way you can appear offline to one individual person. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.